Hello everyone, welcome to today's skincare video. Today I'm showing you my nighttime K-beauty routine for intense hydration. I have chosen products that focus on hydrating, so they help to add water to the skin. A basic skincare routine can transform your skin, and when you use good products, you have a great foundation for healthy skin. At nighttime, I follow a 3-step routine using a cleanser, toner, and moisturiser, and when I need to apply my BHA, I include it into the steps. I start with the Rovectin Skin Essentials Conditioning Cleanser. This cleanser is a gentle, low pH hydrating cleanser that works well without stripping your skin of its protective moisture barrier. It contains glycerin, a natural hypoallergenic agent that absorbs and retains moisture from the air to keep the skin toned and hydrated. So this is a good cleanser for those worried about allergic reactions. There is also a natural coconut oil derivative that maintains pH levels and serves as an alkaline pH buffer agent. This is important as when skin is working on the right pH number, it combats harmful bacteria, the types that grow, triggering inflammation and skin conditions such as acne. This is a good product for sensitive skin because it's hypoallergenic, toxic-free, and cruelty-free. Next, I go in with the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I also prefer to use BHA at night to avoid having direct contact with the sun. It is important to use sunscreen regularly to protect the skin, especially if you use it in the morning. This BHA Power Liquid is formulated with 4% betaine salicylate that gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells, blackheads, and sebum inside the pores. It helps prevent and promotes healing of blemishes. The BHA contains willow bark extract that calms redness, irritation, and reduces oiliness. There is niacinamide, a cell-communicating ingredient which signals for the cells to behave better and also increases ceramide synthesis for stronger, healthier skin barrier and better skin hydration. Niacinamide also helps with brightening and treating dark spots caused by acne and hyperpigmentation. After using this power liquid, my skin instantly looks and feels smoother and my pores get smaller. I like this product because it does well for acne control because of the salicylic acid. However, my skin does not get dry compared to when I use salicylic acid alone. The combination of this formula is effective in gently exfoliating but also adds hydration, making it a good balance for my skin. I then apply the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. Before I start applying my other products, I use this toner to create an environment that will maximize my skincare. This is an ideal product to prepare the skin. This toner is effective for pH balancing, it's very moisturizing, great for soothing irritated skin, and it's vegan. The right pH numbers prevent dryness, irritation, and redness, and this toner contains licorice root, which helps with skin brightening and it is anti-inflammatory. This toner treats concerns that come with breakouts and dull skin, so skin can look exceptionally smooth and brighter. Next, I use the Wishtrend ampule. When I order from YesStyle, they always send samples with the package, so at night time I try out these samples. Today I use this ampoule as I have been thinking lately about whether I needed an ampoule in my routine, and it was nice being able to test one out. I have only used this once, so I can't say much about its effect, but my first impressions of this were very great. This ampule has 15% propolis for anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects, helping to heal stressed skin and reduce redness. And lastly, I applied the Purito Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. This cream is formulated with 60% deep ocean water, effective in replenishing dry and dehydrated skin. The cream has a clear and gel-type texture that glides on easily, feels lightweight, and is long-lasting. There is sodium hyaluronate, a form of hyaluronic acid that is a natural moisturizing factor that helps skin attract and absorb water. Sodium hyaluronate has the ability to hold 1,000 times its own weight in water, and it improves the ability of the skin to retain water. There is also glycerin, a superstar humectant that helps your skin to cling and hold on to water, keeping it moisturized. Glycerin also keeps the skin lipids between skin cells in a healthy state, protects against irritation, and helps to restore barrier. This cream is hydrating and moisturizing. It adds water to the skin and also forms a barrier over the skin to seal in the hydration by preventing evaporation. And so this cream is suitable for both dehydrated and dry skin. When skin is able to retain water, it becomes more healthy, smooth, and bouncy. And so that is the end of the routine. The best way to help your skin when dealing with dehydration is to consume more water. However, sometimes I need the extra help, and these products have amazing ingredients that are great skincare basics. Korean skincare products are great building blocks to maintain a minimal yet effective skincare routine, while also treating my specific skincare concerns. When I wake up the next day after following this routine, my skin looks flawless with a radiant glow. All the products are listed in the description box, available in YesStyle. Use my YesStyle code and link to get 5 to 10% off your purchases. If you have any questions or suggestions for routines you'd like to see in the future, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you know when I post. Bye!
Tonight.